okwegerese naawo aye ni mu register kaningemu abataka baife abakunga
mulowoza embasakira bo wakiba kibi ba mama baba
kindi kaninga ku mu register oba ng'oli
bana
Langirira omuntu aje wamukuba akalulu kalala
Linda Rwansasula mu register olimu leero ikirizibwa
We zeggen 13 graden of niet, want
Kuma kana akalulu kako
muje munoni akalulu
Saindonde yapewe baleino
neyanziza mukama wange webalire yala Sala musikali kwida mukatundu wano bana mwetegeke ali kuti mama nsangaire ekitundu kikyo mukwa ebudonde wovana magerere ngoja mtawuni ojanina bwa umeni MP obajinja sije njemba yambe era mbawereze
tujja okumalako omwaka ng'abandi bafiirirwa abandi bababeere mu kooti omwo babayibyeko eitaka abandi abaidukulu babakubye oba babanazeeko ebintu byaibwe kwegamba embeera ng'eyo omukaire ajja okugimalako ng'awulira ng'akooye aye bwe tuba kuno olunaku nga lulala lwonka yasanukamu yadigidamu yaba kunibaine kibanga kimunaazaako era enaku gyabaire nayo yetaaga okuba budaabuda kubanga bingi babitamu nga sente titijja kola ki kubitoolawo ebintu ebisinga biba mu muwongo muno endowooza ye byabitamu so okuba budoobudooko.
I want to do something for the children in Uganda because there are so many. We help the grandmothers with the houses, but the children, they are without a future. If we don't do anything, we need 10 houses in 10 years, yeah? Because every child will be poor again. But when we give them education, one child gets education and a vocational training, they can help perhaps 10 others.
I think the government should take care of the old people in Uganda. They should give them a pension. And yeah, I think that's very important.
eraze mu perform ndeze mu bintu bingi kuba amaadde buli lwegagwa mbaawo kyensimba entasimba muwogo nsimba iva oba ekikolo kya mbooli aye ekyasanyusa mu byona byona tibamboola tintuuseeyo tibamboola twalina emikwano abeekanada baamenda zena nambeera niba muli kumbona okuba kuti ndi ku maani gape yani gantwala n'ekanada so tinze era nebaza